Welcome to the video, User Accounts. In this section, we will begin by running our user authentication generator so that we will have our front-end UI to log in and register. After that, we will take a look at our user model and migration file to see what was generated for us, and then we will run our migration to start our database. Finally, we will build our user account settings page. This will allow our users to change their name, email, and password. To start, we are going to need a way to log in to and register for our application. So in this video, we are going to generate our user authentication system and then review the templates that were generated for us. One of the greatest perks of the Laravel framework is its artisan generator. We learned about artisan in the previous sections when we first used it to serve our application. This time around, we are going to use it to generate our user scaffolding. We do this by using the following command: PHP artisan make auth. And just like that, we have the ability to log into an existing account or register for a new one. Let's check out the templates that were generated for us. If we open our resources folder as well as open up our views, now we can see that we have an auth folder that includes a login.blade.php file, which handles our login, as well as register.blade.php, which handles our registration, as well as another directory for passwords, which will allow us to reset our password if we ever forget it. And also a password directory that includes two templates for our reset password functionality if we ever forget our own passwords for our account. We also see that there is a layouts folder which holds the base layout app.blade.php that will be used for our entire application. We will learn about this template later in the course.